Good day mga kabayan techers, this is your The Kabayan Tech. Welcome back. I'm going to explain why I bought a MacBook Pro after a year and a half. So the ones that I use for creating my videos, I'm using a MacBook Pro 15-inch 2018, 2.6, 6-core i7, 16 gigabytes, and 512 of storage. I'm okay with it, but the things that I'm noticing is for the past year, when I did the update going to the higher operating system, even just doing iMovie or editing on iMovie, I've been having frame buffering and rendering buffering, and it ended up that I don't want to do any more videos or edit videos for that matter. I find it really slow, especially when I'm trying to cut and splice. For the video to re-render again, it takes a little bit time. So what I have in here, I just had it delivered today. It's not an unboxing videos. There are a lot of unboxing videos for the MacBook Pro, and you can see it here. Those are the different channels that they did some review. In my case, I've been seriously thinking over and over if I'm going to buy it now or if I'm going to wait for an M2 MacBook Pro. So I have like 3 to 4 factors that I ended up deciding that I wanted to buy a new MacBook Pro. I'm going to open it up and show it to you, but I'm just going to discuss why I decided to get this configuration. If there is no discount for the brand new one, I would buy it from the refurbished store, and that is my first option. So at least it kind of trims the price down. Good thing I waited and I got a discount. For this computer, I will end up paying at the end after I sell my old 2018 computer. So there was like a huge discount that I got. Spec-wise, I'm pretty much decided on what I wanted to get. I'm going to get a Mac M1 Pro with 16 gigs, but instead of a 512, I wanted to get a 1 terabyte. So that's the one that is customized in pertain to my own function. I know there's a lot of difference when it comes to performance, but for the function that I'm going to use it for, paying the extra $400, $500, or even $1,000 just to get the fully spec out for just the reason of the service life, I rather end up just paying off the Apple Care. In terms of the size of 14 to 16 inch, I don't take my computer pretty much. It just stays at home, and I have no issues with in regards to weight. And if I need to bring this computer when I'm on a trip or whatever, then I'll just suck it up for the weight. So specs that I decided, that's one factor. Next one would be the price. So again, I will end up paying like $1,000, and I'm fine with that. Third is, why didn't I wait for the M2? One is, it's a non-stop upgrade, right? So you just have to put your foot on the ground and decide which one you wanted. And waiting for the brand new one every time, you will end up with nothing at all. And that's my third decision. And the fourth one is, if eventually I don't like it, because I'm going to transfer my data from my old computer to the new computer, and I don't like the performance, then I'll just return it back and just revert back to my old computer. Or we'll end up probably going for an M1 Pro with 32 gigs of RAM, but I guess I'll be ending up just returning it and just going back on my old computer, and that's pretty much it. Just opening up, this is just a brand new delivered for today. By the way, for the next few videos, we are going to create newer contents. You might be surprised that we're going to do some reviewing experiences of technology. We're going to expand our coverage when it comes to our videos. I will share you my thoughts on when I purchase a certain tech. If you are watching this video and not yet subscribed, kindly do me a solid and hit the subscribe button. Special shout out to Berhoots. Another subscriber will be Alfair. And then thank you very much for all our new subscribers. So let's open this up and then let's end this video. And that's the new MacBook Pro. If you have any questions or suggestions that you want me to do as a video, kindly hit and type it below. Thank you very much and have a good day.